Guys, today's book recommendation is for Renegades by Marissa Meyer. This is one of my most favorite series that I've picked up in the last few years. It follows two main characters, Nova and Adrian. Nova is part of a group called the Anarchists, and the Anarchists ruled during the age of anarchy, led by a man named Ace Anarchy. Ace Anarchy was large and in charge and angry at the world and the way the prodigies, or people with supernatural abilities, had been treated. And so they began to tear everything down to begin anew, but not necessarily in a positive way. It was a pretty scary day and age. Nova, who is his niece, is really angry at the current presiding group, the Renegades, because she believed that they would show up in her time of need when her parents were being murdered, and they didn't. And so she has been set on vengeance for years. Adrian, on the other hand, is the son of the leaders of the Renegades, and he just wants to forge his own path. He doesn't want to be seen just as their son. He doesn't want to be kept safe. He wants to be out there fighting to keep the world peaceful and regulated. He does a lot of things in secret that they don't know about. And when Nova shows up to try out to be a renegade, he has no idea that not only is she not really looking to be just a renegade, but that she is there to assassinate his father. They do become friends. Nova has to wrestle with what her responsibilities are to the world and to herself when she sees what kind of people they really are up close compared to who she thought they were. You guys, Renegades is just really awesome, and I know that description doesn't do it justice, and so I encourage you to pick it up and give it a try, because I really do think that you'll enjoy it. And I know that it's a little chunky, but I don't want you to be intimidated by that, because it goes by really quickly. So you guys, let me know if you need my help with this or any other books, and I'll see you soon.